What is HIV and AIDS? HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that attacks and weakens the immune system, which is responsible for fighting off infection and disease. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is a condition that develops when the immune system is severely damaged and is unable to fight off infection and disease. HIV/AIDS is a global health issue that affects millions of people around the world. Combating HIV/AIDS requires a multi-pronged approach that involves prevention, treatment, and support for those affected by the virus. Here are some strategies that can help combat HIV/AIDS. First, promote HIV testing and early diagnosis. Encourage people to be tested for HIV regularly so that they can know their status. Early and access treatment early. Early diagnosis and treatment of HIV can significantly improve the quality of life for people living with HIV and reduce the risk of transmission. Second, antiretroviral therapy (ART) is a combination of drugs that can suppress the virus, slow down the progression of the disease, and reduce the risk of transmission. ART should be provided to all people living with HIV, regardless of their CD4 count or viral load.
Third, prevent HIV transmission. Encourage the use of condoms during sexual activity. Promote safe injection practices and offer pre-exposure prophylaxis to people at high risk of acquiring HIV. 4. Eliminate stigma and discrimination. HIV-related stigma and discrimination can be encourage people from getting tested, accessing treatment, and disclosing their status. Eliminating stigma and discrimination is critical to reducing the spread of HIV.
Fifth, promote education and awareness. Educate the public about HIV transmission, prevention, and treatment to reduce the stigma and discrimination associated with the disease. Education and awareness can also help promote safer sex practices and encourage people to get tested and treated for HIV. It is important to remember that combating HIV/AIDS requires a comprehensive approach that involves individuals, communities, and governments working together. By taking these steps, we can work towards a world free of HIV/AIDS.